How's it going, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and today I'm going to get into Astra, and we're going to check out the chart, but first we're going to get into some news here. Now, they just announced that they're going to be launching in January, so coming up very soon, and I think the price it's at a great time to buy. Now, let's get into the news here. Now, before I get into this, if you guys would please hit the like and subscribe, it definitely helps me out. It helps the algorithm and shows more people this video, and I really do appreciate it. Now, first off, Astra announces that they're going to be launching for NASA in January in Florida. And let's check out the article that goes more in detail with it. So they announced that they plan to deploy their first satellite in orbit for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. And this is going to be in January 2022. Now, the launch from Cape Canaveral, I don't know if I'm saying that right, will be conducted out of Space Launch Complex 46, SLC 46, and will be Astra's first launch out of Cape Canaveral. Now, I quote, "This historic launch site has been prepared for a new commercial launch partner in less than a year, which is a tremendous milestone for our combined team and illustrates how SLD, which this is Space Launch Delta 45, SLD 45, sets the pace for access to space," said Brigadier General Stephen Purdy, commander of Space Launch Delta 45 and director of the Eastern Range. Now, SLD-45, Space Florida, and Astra have moved at a rapid speed to demonstrate critical and responsive launch capabilities. We are excited to welcome Astra to Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. I think this is fantastic news, and it's perfect to get into it because the current environment of the market has just been very, very rough. So it seems like positive articles, positive catalysts just have like little to no effect on a stock, while negative catalysts have a huge effect on stocks lately. And I think now is a great time, in my opinion, to get into this one, and I have been loading up on Astra, and I'm also thinking about some call options. Now let's get into the technicals here, and let me show you a couple reasons why I've just been adding the heck out of this one. Now we're going to get into Astra's chart, and this has become very, very oversold. We did find a little bit of green, but we sold off more today, although after hours we are a little green. It's coming up a little bit after hours, but surprisingly we did have quite a bit of a sell-off today. And most of the market was somewhat green. We had a little bit of red and green in the market. It was kind of a mixed bag for just the overall market. But looking at the RSI on the 6-month, the 3-month, and the 1-month, we are oversold. So we are quite oversold, and usually it doesn't hang around here for too very long. But I think it's just, like I said, the current market environment, the variant, poor job numbers, interest rates rising, all of those are going to be negative effects for Astra, although I think it is more of a short-term negative, and this has already been quite absorbed in the stock price. Now to give you a couple of, to give you the potential downside that I see, we did drop down to about 744, and that was our max downside. That was at October 11. All right, so I mean, I doubt it's going to be coming down much, because from here, from starting in 19th of November, so we did successfully reach orbit, and we've got another catalyst coming, and I highly doubt that this is going to go much lower. So I am very confident in this one, and I have been adding to this one. But let me know, guys, what you think in the comments below. Have you guys been buying this one today or recently? Make sure to let me know. Thanks as always, guys, and I will see you next time.